This is the Anker PowerConf200 webcam. I got this webcam since I got rid of my laptop and recently replaced it with a mini PC. So today we'll take a look at how to set up this webcam and see the different options to mount it. Let's go ahead and unbox this and get started. So here's the webcam. It's actually not too big and it is very portable. So if I decide to move the camera around, it will be very easy. And here's the cable. I hope this is going to be long enough for my setup. We'll have to test that out later. And here's a little user manual. Let's take a quick look at the instructions. So they tell you to go to their website and download their software. And then the rest of it goes through the different parts of the webcam, and it even has some pictures including how to mount the webcam. So we're going to go ahead and set this up, but before we install the app, let's take a closer look at the webcam. On the front, we have two little microphones on the bottom, one towards the left and one towards the right of the lens. In the center, there's also an LED light indicator so you know when the webcam is on. And then on top, there is a little switch that you can slide to open and close the privacy shutter. Towards the side, we have some air vents. Towards the back, we have a USB port to connect the webcam to your computer. And then at the bottom, you extend and adjust the clip to mount the webcam, which we'll test out shortly. And if you fold in the clip, you have access to mount this webcam onto a tripod. And then here's the second air vent on the other side. So let's get ready to mount this webcam. I've got the cable here. One end is plugging into your webcam and the other end plugs into a USB-A port on your computer. And this cable is pretty long, so it should work well for my setup. First, I'll mount this on the top of my monitor, and then I'll plug the cable into one of the spare USB-A ports on my mini PC. And then on the other end, we'll get that plugged into the webcam. So as I showed you earlier, the webcam just sits on top of the monitor. And I like how you can adjust the positioning of the webcam, so if you have a large monitor on the wall, you can tilt it downwards. And here's the webcam sitting on top of my tablet. And next, I'm going to mount this webcam onto a tripod that I normally use for filming. The webcam screws in easily and quickly, and now I can move and adjust the tripod around to whatever position I need. So the last step is to get the software installed. I went to their website and downloaded the Anker Work software, and now the installation is just about completed. One important thing is that once you set up your account, you'll want to check if there are any updates to the firmware. Here we're updating to the latest firmware. On the screen, there's a little reminder at the bottom to make sure not to disconnect the device during the update process. And once the update is done, you can launch straight into the webcam software and it will automatically initialize and then detect your webcam. There are a number of settings you can configure for your webcam, including a variety of resolution options and angle and frame options. There's also an anti-flicker option you can enable. You can also configure the level of brightness, sharpness, saturation, and contrast for your webcam. And finally, we have language options, the privacy policy, and you can always check your software version and ensure you stay current with the most updated version.